Welcome to our channel, Gamers. Today we are talking about 3D printing and how it relates to PC gaming. Have you ever heard of the 3DFX Voodoo2 cards from the late 90s? Well, these cards were revolutionary in their time and still stir fond memories in some gamers. They are also highly sought after and can come with a hefty price. But with 3D printing, those who own these cards can get a natty coat of armor to protect them. Recently, 3D printing and electronics enthusiast Jeff Chen has designed and shared some STL models to produce armor for these cards. His designs allow you to wrap the cards in some 2020 style, while also being able to protect the card from being mishandled or stored. Not only that, it adds some style to an already iconic piece of gaming hardware. Jeff Chen provides the 3D printable files on a dedicated page for the project, which is available on our website. His actions were motivated by seeing too many Voodoo2 cards with missing components or damaged pins. His stance is that this armor should provide the card aesthetic and protect from any potential mishandling. To follow in Jeff's footsteps and print some armor for your Voodoo2 card, you may need a 3D printer with a sizable bed. The Ender 3 Pro was used for the examples Jeff provides, and it was only just big enough for the job. Additionally, you also need 4 sets of M2x6mm hex screws and nuts for installation. Keep in mind that this armor is only compatible with most designs, not all. Jeff also has plans for more armor sets to come, including a design for SLI card installations. So, to get your hands on a Voodoo2 card, plus 3D print some armor to protect it and make it look fantastic, make sure to visit our website for more info. With 3D printing available, you can give your old Voodoo